It's 10:23 Central Time, 11:23 Eastern Time, and to show you the progress of the storm here. It's still up front here. I'm starting to get a big mound here. Look at that storm, just raging, whipping, unbelievable. I mean, my whole truck is rocking. If I just put this down, I mean, you can probably sense the way it's rocking. This wind is just blowing ferocious, and it's just going nuts. It just, even right here on my dash, I mean, my everything. I mean, before I put the wipers on, the whole windshield looked like that, where you couldn't even see. There's up front there, where the front pumps are for the cars. I mean, it is just constant. It's a blizzard, that's for sure. No other way to put it. And it's definitely gotten stronger. And you know, it reminds me of like I'm looking at the ocean or the river during rough wave, where you got the ups and down like a wave, and the whitecaps type effect. And that's weird to say, but that's what it reminds me of. God, look at that. That is just swirling around me, shaking my whole truck. So, still going on. Okay, it's 5:30 in the morning Central, 6:30 Eastern. I just woke up. What my windshield looks like. I assume you can probably see it. The light helps at all. Probably not. But now we'll put the wipers on. Whoa! Okay. Oh my goodness. Got a lot more snow out there. That's for sure. A lot more snow. Still blowing like a son of a gun. Oh man. Still not quite as strong as it was last night at some points, but it's still howling. Still going. Back to bed. You know, in Illinois here, they called out the National Guard, and here they are coming in to get fuel. Whole lino, it just keeps on going and going out to the road. So serving their country.